Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Baby bodycon dresses stage tells our story. Today we are diving into the magical world of bodycon dresses, a timeless piece of art that transform empty walls into cozy statement of story. Today we are diving into the magical world of bodycon dresses, wall hangings, timeless pieces of art that transform empty walls into cozy statements of beauty. Imagine soft years flowing through your forming elegant wall hanging flowing through your fingers, forming elegant bodycon dresses, knots, and texture designs. A bodycon dresses hanging is not just decorations; it's piece of handmade. Love carrying warmth, traditions, and creative make this machine formed by mind tassels to minimalized patterns. This hanging can brighten any space, your living room, your bedroom, or even a dreading corner. Some designs featured bold shape where wear trailing and diamond adds modern charm or bodycon dresses and diamond con dresses. Bodycon dresses is a very nice dresses because the modern dresses related the con dresses drivers flawed elegance, capturing dance towards flooring elegance in capturing the beauty of nature in yon hue. Some designs, bodycon dresses, airy triangles, and diamond add modern charm. Others, this brighten any space your living room. Bodycon dresses hanging are not just about patterns; they're about bodycon dresses. Knots and layered fingers create depth. Pant cornered fingers create depth that pant cannot fade. Some designs rapidly like waves, while others strike like poetry brick. When nightfall occurs, them shadow bring the art to life. Every sometimes something new. A crochet wall hanging is a 3D dimensional story woven with care ready to transform any fault wall into a world of movement and texture. Imagine decorating your home with bodycon dresses. Bodycon dresses is very nice dresses and modern dresses, very looking beautiful dresses. Bodycon dresses in the most modern is the dresses. The beautiful lady and the beautiful modern dresses, bodycon dresses. Walking is the bodycon dresses, whites and silvers that sparkle with like snow. Bodycon dresses, golds with leafy patterns for winter, soft whites. Change with the seasons, turning walls into living reflections of time, nature, and celebrations. Our bodycon dresses is the very nice dresses. Not every home has big small wall above a disc or a mini wall hanging with just a few tassels can add personality without over this title wore the bodycon dresses. It does need size to shine. Even the smallest creation carries the warmth of handmade bodycon dresses. Sparking bodycon dresses, metal rings, shell or beads, some hangings include mirrors, buttons, or even recycled fabric strips. This mix of textures creates unique work of art, bleeding, interesting, crochet bodycon dresses.